how to connect your ClickUp with your n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can connect ClickUp with your n8n. So we will go through the step setup process, link your ClickUp workspace and get it ready so you can start building your automation. For example, like creating your task automatically and syncing project updates and integrating ClickUp with your favorite app. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about the requirement. If you don't have an account, just go to info description and click on the link. You will get 15 days of free trial. Second thing you have to have is ClickUp. That's it. So let me just sign in with my account. As you can see here, I have to sign in and then I will move to my n8n. Let me just delete all of this. If you are a very beginner, don't get confused. So let me just add from the top right corner, you have to add a chat message. And then you have to add a AI agent. I will explain it later. Let me just add all of these one by one in a faster way. Gemini chat model. This is our AI agent's brain. Then we will add a tool. There are two ways you can use the ClickUp in your n8n. First is using the community node, and then the second one is uh, connecting with the AI agent. I will prefer to use ClickUp with by connecting your AI agent. Now I'll search ClickUp tool, and from here you will find a lot of different operations. Let me just show you. As you can see, when you open this tool node, you will get first a tool description. I will set up to automatically, and then you have resources. And the resources you will find a lot of different resource like creating a folder, goal, key result, and list. There are a lot of things you can experiment with it. Now I will select folder, and then after that you have operations like create and delete and get. So we will come to later on that. We will first connect it. As you can see, I have already connected. So let me just click on this pencil icon. But if you are new here, just simply click on this create new credential. It will open something like this where you can add access token and OAuth 2. So I will show you mainly OAuth 2, but access token is very simple. You can just go to your ClickUp account, and from here in the top, you will see there is a profile of yours. Just simply click on that, and from there you have to just simply go to settings, and if you scroll down a little bit in the settings section, you will find the ClickUp API. Click on the ClickUp API. From here you can set up auth 2, and if you scroll down more and go into apps, you will find there is an option of API tokens in the apps section. Now just simply click on this generate button. It will give you the enter your password to generate your API key. Just enter your password and copy that API key and paste it over here, and just simply click on the save button. That's it. This is how you can connect with the access token. Now I will go with the OAuth redirect URL because it is a little bit harder. Now just simply copy this and get back to your ClickUp, and from here either you can create a from apps and from ClickUp API as well. So I will go with the apps and click on this create app button, and from here you have to enter the name. For example, n8n connection to, just I have added this random name, and in the redirect URL section you have to just copy this OAuth redirect URL from your n8n and paste it over here. So what it does is basically it basically send the request and take a request from this URL. Just simply click on this create app button, and after that it will give you the client ID and client secret. Make sure you don't share this client secret with anyone. Just copy this client ID and paste it into your client ID section, and then get back to your client ClickUp, copy the client secret and paste it over here into client secret. Now let me just simply click on the save button, and as you can see, I have successfully saved my credential. Now it's time to connect my account. Just scroll down a little bit. You will find the button of connect my account. From there you have to click on this, and it will open something like this where you have to select your workspace. I have created different workspaces for me. Now we'll choose whatever workspaces I want to automate and click on this connect workspace. Now, as you can see here, we have successfully connected our ClickUp, And that's it. This is how you can connect your ClickUp with n8n. Well, now let's do some of operation over here. So what I will do, I will create folder, I will create task. Let me just add a tool for our task, search for ClickUp, and then add a task over here. So from here, you have to choose a task from the resources and operation which is create. There are different operations you can use it, like get many members and all of this. I will choose the team name, and from here I will choose the space, and I will add a name. So make sure you have created, for example, you have created the workspace and the spaces, so you can access it from here. Now let me just add a name over here. So folder list, and as you can see, that's it. We have set up create a task. There is an error, I guess. Okay, that's it. Now let's create a task. First, let's create a folder. So let me explain what it does. This is a agent, and this is one of the best thing in the n8n. So what it does is basically take input from the chat message received, and then you have AI agent which process all of this the input and send to this Gemini chat model. The Gemini chat model takes the input, process it from here, and send to these tools and take the output from these nodes. So that's it. This is very simple. Now I will say create a task name tomorrow I have to wake up. Let's execute. Let's see if it uses the task or not. What is saying? I can't help with that. Do you want to create this task in a folder list? Yeah, I have to create that task. So I want to create the task in the folder list. So it gives me, I wasn't able to create the task, the resource could not be found. You have to configure, let me show you what's the error. Okay, I have to select the list. Let's execute again. Okay, there we go. We have executed our workflow, and let's try it again. Now, as you can see, it created task. Let me just create a folder again, create a folder called one. Let's see if it is execute or not. As you can see what they say, I can specify the name using the function. Would you like to create without name? Yes, create without name. Let me open this. Okay, I have added the wrong detail over here. Let me add again. Okay, that's it. So here we go. We have successfully executed our node. That's it. This is how you can automate. There are a lot of things you can do. As you can see, this is our task. And there are a lot of things you can automate using n8n of ClickUp. If you want a video on that, just simply comment it down below. I will make video for that. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.